Here's something I've learned after hundreds of sessions. You can never have too much energy in the room. Why? Because it's always easier to pull too much energy down than it is to boost it up. Always. But the key is learning how to spot low energy before it kills your session, because by the time you feel it, you're already behind. So here are 3 warning signs I watch for. 1. Cliques. You know, those small groups of people who keep to themselves but don't mix. Now, whether it's intentional or not, when people stay in their comfort zones, energy flatlines. You've got to break that pattern early. 2. Resistance to participate. If people aren't jumping in, it's usually not because they can't, it's often because they don't feel comfortable yet. Now, maybe they don't know each other or they don't trust the space yet. Either way, that hesitation is a red flag. And 3, laughter. This is my favorite barometer. As I'm leading my group, I'm constantly asking myself, how much laughter is in the room? Laughter tells you everything. If it's quiet, you've got some work to do. If people are laughing and interacting naturally, you're on the right track. Learn to read these signs early and you'll never lose control of your session's energy. Now, want more tips like this? Check out my library of lazy facilitator videos in the link below. It's packed with dozens of expert hacks for effortless engagement and connection. Oh, and be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more lazy facilitator tips and activity ideas. Thank you so much for watching and have fun out there.